Plans are orthographic projections on a horizontal picture plane looking down on an object or scene. To project a plan view of a building's interior, we must first make a horizontal cut through the entire structure. After a horizontal plane slices through the construction, we remove the upper part. The floor plan is an orthographic projection of the portion that remains. The plan cut slices through a building's walls and columns about 4 feet above the floor. It's important to differentiate the cut walls and columns from the spaces they define. The easiest way to do this is to profile what is cut with a heavy line weight. Begin a floor plan by drawing the lines which regulate the positions of plan elements. Once the ordering system is established, give the plan elements their proper thickness. Emphasize the cut elements with a heavy line weight. Use intermediate line weights to delineate edges of surfaces below the plan cut and the lightest line weights to represent surface lines. We typically give the cut material a tonal value that contrasts with the spatial field of the floor plan. We refer to this darkening as poché. If only a moderate degree of contrast is desired, use a middle gray value to illuminate the shapes of the cut elements. Poché establishes a figure-ground relationship between solid and void. We tend to read the cut elements of a floor plan as figures and the bounded spaces as background. To focus on the shapes of the spaces, we can reverse the normal dark-light pattern. In order to emphasize the plan cut as well as convey a greater sense of depth, we can also render the shadows cast by the vertical elements of a floor plan.